welcome to our channel The Angle. I'm Neetu Sharma with you. Let's begin with the headlines. The Supreme Court reprimanded the Election Commission, said media reporting of the court cannot be stopped. Congress besieges BJP government over death of 24 patients due to lack of oxygen in Karnataka, seeks resignation from State Health Minister. The parents have received a major setback from the Supreme Court over the school fees. The Supreme Court ordered the Rajasthan High Court to be cancelled. And a round of greetings on social media on the birthday of Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot. Blood donation camps were organized. The Supreme Court said that it cannot stop media from reporting oral comments made by judges during the hearing. A bench of Justice D.Y. Chandrachud and Justice M.R. Shah said that reporting of oral comments of judges is in the wider public interest as it brings accountability. The Apex Court was hearing a petition filed by the Election Commission in which it has challenged the Madras High Court's comment to file a murder case. At the same time, the Commission has also said that the media should be banned for publishing oral comments made by the court. Justice Chandrachud said what is happening in the court is being brainwashed. Citizens want to know about all these. This will boost people's confidence in the judicial process. Congress besieges Yediyurappa government over the death of 24 patients due to lack of oxygen. The Congress targeted the BJP government of the state for the death of 24 people due to alleged lack of medical oxygen at Chamarajanagar District Hospital in Karnataka, and the State Health Minister K.K. Sudhakar demanded resignation. Former party National President Rahul Gandhi tweeted, "Is this death or murder? My deepest condolences to their families. How much more people will have to suffer before the system wakes up?" He also attacked the central government over the slow pace of the introduction of anti-corona vaccine and alleged that the government's policy paralysis could not win the war against the virus. Congress General Secretary and in charge of Karnataka, Randeep Surjewala, while targeting the B.S. Yediyurappa government, said the murder has taken place due to the negligence of the Yediyurappa government. The Shiv Sena has targeted PM Modi and Amit Shah for the West Bengal election results. Shiv Sena said that the West Bengal election results have proved that Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Union Home Minister Amit Shah are not invincible. The Shiv Sena said that all of the states and union territories in which elections were held recently were eyeing West Bengal. For was engaged in campaigning in West Bengal, Banerjee led the Trinamool Congress to victory in West Bengal for the third time in a row. The result proves that the Modi Shah is not invincible, even though the entire system and all technology have passed. The fourth wave of corona in Delhi worsening the situation. The deaths of the patients are not taking the name of freeze. Meanwhile, the Delhi government has sought the army's help to control the infection and save the lives of patients. Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia, who raised the center on the first day of the third phase vaccination campaign, said that he was written to Defence Minister Rajnath Singh and sought the army's help. In the letter, he wrote that more hospitals should be prepared in the same way as DRDO has prepared a hospital. At the same time, the Deputy Chief Minister has written a letter asking for the help of the Indian Army for all other arrangements ranging from oxygen cylinders. The parents have received a major setback from the Supreme Court over the school fees. Accepting the appeal of private schools in Rajasthan, the Supreme Court has quashed the High Court's decision in which it ordered private schools to charge 60 to 70% tuition fees. The bench of Supreme Court Justice A.M. Khanwilkar and Justice Murari gave this decision today. However, only after a detailed decision is made, it will be clear that how much and how private schools will able to recover the fees. Today is the birthday of Rajasthan Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot. Although Ashok Gehlot has not announced to celebrate his birthday earlier, but Congress workers and leaders are celebrating the birthday of Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot with simplicity. A blood donation camp is also being organized at many places on the occasion of the Chief Minister's birthday. Blood donation camp is also being organized by the State Congress Seva Dal today, celebrating the Chief Minister's birthday by distributing masks and sanitizers to the people on behalf of the Congress advance organizations. Leaders of several parties including Congress President Sonia Gandhi, former President Rahul Gandhi, State in charge Ajay Maken, former in charge Avinash Pandey, Congress National Secretary Vivek Bansal, State Congress President Govind Singh Dotasara, Cabinet members, former Chief Minister Vasundhara Raje were also Chief Ministers, calling Ashok Gehlot and congratulated him on his birthday. Rajasthan Assembly Speaker CP Joshi has supported vaccination in this corona epidemic. Rajasthan Assembly Speaker CP Joshi has given rupees 3 crore from the MLA fund for vaccination. This amount will be used in Nathdwara, the constituency of Dr. Joshi. A letter has been sent in this regard to the Chief Executive Officer of Rajsamand Jilla Parishad. This amount will be used for vaccination of people above 18 years of age. In Rajasthan Assembly, Chief Whip Mahesh Joshi got a challan of rupees 500 for not applying the mask. In fact, after the photo without a mask went viral and the news was published in newspapers, Chief Whip Mahesh Joshi has received a receipt of rupees 500 for joining without a mask at the blessing ceremony of the son of Congress councillor Manoj Mudgal. Mahesh Joshi has deposited the amount in the civil line zone of the municipal corporation and obtained a receipt for the challan. On this occasion, Joshi said that in future he will take care that there is no violation of any government guideline. Joshi also thanked the newspapers for bringing this attention. A road accident has taken place in Devali, in Tok district of Rajasthan. Road accident occurred in Devali. Uncontrolled Bolero camper divider mounted and overturned. Camper rider killed and another seriously injured in an accident. Death of Kishanlal Meghwal, a resident of Rajpura of Pilani police station. That's all we have for you in this bulletin. Good night.